So today I'm going to use this machine gun I have here to go pow 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 and to kill everybody. I've already done a bunch of killing and stuff. I have crimes and stuff. So as you can see, I have my sentence greatly extended at 105. So now I'm going to use this machine gun here to kill lots of people and infinitely extend the sentence I have. Okay, so I have this machine gun. And now I'm just gonna murder somebody. Yeah, I murdered him, alright. Yeah, I murdered him. I'm gonna go and murder him. I'm murder. Assaulting a... No, I killed a one, but I'm not assaulted. Drop it. Huh? Okay, now he's gonna get in trouble for that. It's creepy as Barry here. Going down. Yeah. So there's a machine gun down there. There's a dad and Landy. Don't die. Don't die. No, no, no. Oh, no. Or Fanny Gaspy? Machine gun go bow bow, yeah. Machine gun go bow bow. Huh? What? I just casually gave him the machine gun. Okay. Oh, no, no. For taking yourself a weapon. No, don't do that! No! Okay, I'm inheriting this universe so that I can have this machine gun. Oh, God. Oh, what have I done? Oh, my God. Oh, my. Alrighty,